song Gusteja. Gusteja world music from Ubud.
From Ubud?
Yeah, from Ubud here.
Yeah.
This is my maestro with me.
Ah, so you know him?
Yes.
Okay. 6 years ago. Yeah,
6 years
a long
ago.
time back.
This is album number 1.
Morning
The
Happiness.
Morning Happiness, yeah. Morning
Ah,
Happiness, number 1 album.
number 1 album.
Yeah, the best music in Bali in the world. The
Ah,
boss, yeah.
wow, so good. So which flute? Because I have a bag. I have like multiple these Indian flutes.
Yeah.
Can I? Which flute should I buy from you? The small one. Because
Small?
I don't have a big space.
No. Oh, because yeah, this one.
Yeah. So how much for this one?
Pardon?
Wow. How much for this one?
Oh, this is a 200.
200.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Nice one.
This
Yeah. Let me try this one. This is difficult to play. I don't know. I need to find techniques. What is the It's very high. So which scale is this? You know that scale?
Pardon?
You know scale? Which scale?
Whisker?
Yeah, F.
Oh no, A.
A scale. Oh,
A.
okay.
A.
So yeah, that's why. That's so good. I like this because I'll carry this flute, and I'm going to India
India
next week.
next week.
Yeah, and I'm traveling different place with the flute, carrying flute,
Okay.
and I'll carry this one as well, and I'll
Yes,
make
I know.
better, learn. So I'll share with you in TikTok as well.
Okay, it's
and-
okay.
So what's your TikTok ID? TikTok.
You have TikTok?
Yes. Yeah, I get a lot of TikTok other players.
This one.
Yeah, you got a lot of followers.
Yeah.
Follow. Ah,
This the win long win.
guys, this is his TikTok account. Have a look and follow everyone.
This is technique the win long
Ah.
the circle.
Oh. So how do
You go win in here.
Mm. So how do you take a breath from nose?
Yes, it's nose. You go nose. You close in the mouth.
Mm. It's very tricky.
very-
Very tricky.
This is yoga.
Yeah.
The same is yoga.
I see. Like I'll show you this one. This one is played same way. We have Sanai. This thing is played in that circular breathing.
This you?
No, not me. In Nepal, it's popular in
Nepal.
marriage. In marriage, people, you know.
Oh, very nice, yeah.
So they also use this circular breathing.
You first time in Bali?
First time in Bali.
First time?
Yeah.
Okay.
First time. I like Bali very much. Like.
The next years you come here.
Yes, sure. I'll be in Australia, so it's easier for me to come.
Okay.
5 hours flight.
5 hours.
Yeah.
How long you fly in Bali? Bali go Nepal.
So I'm going to India.
Oh,
For
you going to?
Nepal, very far.
Oh,
11,
yeah.
12 years. 12 hour.
2 hours.
Yeah, long flight.
Yeah, very long flight, yeah?
Long flight, very. I don't like long flight. 5 hours is okay.
Yeah.
From Australia to here is okay. But from Nepal is tricky.
Yes, I know.
So, so you can take this one.
Check.
Take out.
Oh, take out?
Yeah.
Take out is okay. You take out is okay. It's okay. It's okay here. You clean here.
Okay. And put back.
Yeah. You clean. You go. This one. Click.
Okay. Nice. So you play flute only, or what about tabla? You know
Tabla?
Tabla.
Oh yeah, I know.
For beat.
tabla.
For beat.
Yeah.
Because playing this one is not enough. Like you need to play a background beat.
Yes.
So which beat you use? Which tabla?
This year I know tabla.
You don't use tabla?
No. You don't have tabla. My friend have tabla.
But you can play in mobile as well.
Play.
App.
What is it?
So normally when I practice, I play from tabla. There is one app, Bandis. So.
Oh yeah, application tabla.
Yeah, and then you play like this.
Yeah.
And,
The sitar?
Yeah, so this
Sitar?
is. No, it's a tabla. Tanpura and tabla.
Yeah. Tampura. Yeah.
Tanpura is this.
Okay.
You know, it's like just
the
for
string.
just to make sure that you are in tune always. You don't go out of tune. Tabla gives you beat. Yeah. And then I play like this. You know,
The R. You K R.
I put this and then let me try. So I'll play one raga. Yeah, like this. You know, it's a raga Yaman, raga Yaman. So it's a very old, like very classic songs, and we people musicians use this thing to create a songs. So all of these things are available in my app. So in here, I think you can also download and check. So in here, go to raga and raga. Yemen.
Yemen.
So this is the one I played. This one is the Rag Yemen.
Yeah.
It's A scale. My teacher played this one.
Oh.
Yeah, not me. It's a long one.
Oh, long, yeah? Long
Very
tutorial,
long.
yeah?
Very long tutorial. So this one is, and tan is even better. Like tan, it's a little bit difficult as well.
Tan 2, tan 2.
And two, yeah. So it's a part.
Yeah, part 2.
Yeah, part two. So I made this app so that it's easier for people to just look at this and play together. Otherwise, it's very tricky to understand. So it's long one, it goes on, goes and goes on.
Yes,
And
yes,
they
yes.
play like a 1 hour, like this same raga, continuously different techniques, and play for 1 hour. And songs are like this. I think you have heard of this song, Jingle Bell.
Yeah, Jingle Bell.
Yeah, like tutorial is there. So in our, like, there is sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. So this is how it goes.
Yes,
Sa
yes.
re ga, and then it is made of, like, all the tutorial is made up of sa re ga ma pa da ni sa.
Sa re ga ma pa da ni
Ni-sa.
sa. Lisa.
Ni sa.
Ni-sa.
Ni sa, yeah.
Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa.
Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni dha pa. So you got reverse.
Yes, go back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, go back
Yeah,
there,
yeah. So that's how it works. Yeah, it's good. Like that's why I'm like taking this app and visiting India and different place, and
Yes.
understanding how people are creating music with this. So
Okay.
it's good to see. I'll take this one
Yes,
from
it's okay.
you.
Mama.
Yeah, I'll take this one from you. Guys, I'm going to play this different part of world.
This local from Bali.
Local from Bali.
The flute local from Bali.
Yeah, it's so cute. It's like just one how
No, no.
15 centimeters around.
This is meter.
24
24 meter.
24
centimeter.
centimeter, yeah. So good. And how do you make flute? Can you tell users how do you first you take a
Okay, make the
first you take a bamboo, right?
yes. This is number 1. The knife.
No. You take all the
Yeah.
and make ready for that thing, this thing. I think, right? This thing. Suling.
Suling.
Name of musician, right? Suling. So do you have? So you said that Suling is named from flutist, right? Flutist from Indonesia. Is it from Bali or Indonesia?